Hello! Today I am going to prepare a delicious dish, chicken Milanese with salad. Here's the recipe. Ingredients are the following: chicken fillets, breadcrumbs, pepper, egg, milk, salt, garlic salt, croutons, plain yogurt, lettuce, cucumber, carrot, manchego cheese. To marinate, crack the egg into a bowl, add a little salt, garlic salt, pepper, and milk. Then start mixing everything together. Add the chicken fillets to the mixture and let them marinate completely. For the braiding, add breadcrumbs and again some salt, garlic salt, and pepper. Then start mixing everything together. The chicken fillets that were marinated are added to the mixture and coated completely with the braiding. Now we are going to chop the ingredients for the salad, starting with the lettuce. After chopping all the lettuce, place it in a container with the water and disinfectant. Then let it soak for a while. We continue peeling and chopping the cucumber. Now we'll peel the carrot and grate it. Finally, the manchego cheese is cut into cubes. Then we drain the lettuce that was being disinfected. We start frying the chicken Milanese. We turn on the stove and oil to the pan. Carefully, we place the chicken Milanese in the oil. We flip them to fry on both sides. Once we have the chicken Milanese ready, we arrange them on a plate and prepare the salad to taste. We add natural yogurt as a dressing. And that's it.